Hello everyone. Here is written make different patterns by coloring some squares in the grid BCD. What part of the grid did you color? What part of the grid remained white? Right. Here in shape A, 8 parts are blue and 8 parts are white. Now we have to make different types of patterns in BCD also. We can write 8 upon 16 for blue and 8 upon 16 for white in shape A. Here shape A. Now here is shape B. Here 6 squares are pink in color and remaining 10 squares are white. So we can write 6 upon 16 for pink and 10 upon 16 for white. Here is the shape D. For shape D, here are 8 shapes, 8 parts are yellow and 8 squares are also white. So we can write 8 upon 16 for yellow and 8 upon 16 for white. Now next question is look at grid A again. Is the grid colored 1 upon 2 blue, 1 upon 2 white, B 2 upon 4 blue, 2 upon 4 white, 3 upon 8 blue, 5 upon 8 white, 4 upon 8 blue, 4 upon 8 white. Mark X or cross on the wrong answer. So we know that in grid A there are half squares are blue in color and half squares are white in color. So we can choose our answer easily, which is option A, and remaining options are wrong. Question number 3. Draw grids of 16 squares and make pattern. 2 upon 8 part red, 1 upon 2 yellow, 1 upon 4th green, 3 upon 16th blue, 5 upon 16th red and 1 upon 2 yellow. Here for question A, here are 8 part yellow and 4 parts green and remaining red squares are 4 also. For B we have 5 parts are red in color. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 part are green and remaining 1 2 3. 3 squares are blue in color. Now total squares are 16 here. 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 3 16. Here there are 6 peoples in a class. 2 of them are girls. Question B is, what fraction of the class are boys? We know very well that here are total students 6. So number of girls is 2, number of boys are 4. So boys are 4 out of 6 and number of girls are 2 out of 6. Next question is, Shanti had 12 gram of cheese. She used 2/3 of the cheese to bake a cake. What was the mass of the cheese she used? Here the total weight of the cheese is 12 gram. 12 gram and 2/3 part. It means the total parts we can make of 12 gram cheese, they are 3 parts, 3 equal parts. We can make 3 equal parts by dividing 12 by 3. So 12 divided by 3 is equal to 3 4 ja 12. 4 gram, 4 gram and 4 gram. So here are 3 equal parts for 12 gram. Our question is, we have 2/3, it means 2 part out of 3. So 4 gram plus 4 gram is equal to 8 gram cheese. So the weight of the cheese used for making the cake is 8 gram. Another method to find our answer is, we can write 2/3 2/3 multiplied by 12 gram. We divide 3 by 3. 3 1 ja 3 and 3 4 ja 12. So our answer is 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8 gram. We can find our answer in this way also. Next question is, a tank can hold 35 liters of water. Some water was poured out and is now 2/5 full or 2/5 full. How much water has been poured from the tank? We know that here the total volume of water is 35 liter and the fraction given here is 2/5. So according to previous example, we can make 5 equal part of 35 liter. So 5 equal part of 35 will be 35 divided by 5. 5 7 ja 35. So 1 part is 7 liter. 2 part is equal to 14 liter. But here the shaded portion is the amount of water poured. So how can we find the amount of water poured? We know that 2/5 part is remaining, and the remaining part here is given. 2/5 part is now remaining. The amount of water poured will be 2/3 plus total parts are 5, and here is 2 part remaining, so we can easily find that 3 part out of 5 water is poured. So we have only poured 3/5 part of water. So 3/5 of 35, it means 3/5 of 35. 5 we divide 5 by 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 7 ja 35. We have 3 into 7. 3 into 7 is equal to 21 liter.